Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the software engineering intern role that has opened up at Google. This is a summer internship role for the year 2027, and they are hiring in multiple locations like Bangalore, Telangana and Pune, Maharashtra. The last date of applying is 28th of June, and the students who are currently studying, pursuing their bachelor's, master's, or dual degree program in computer science or any other related technical field, they are eligible to apply for this role. Apart from that, in their minimum qualification section, they also want you to have some experience in architecting or developing distributed systems, concurrency, multi-threading, or synchronization. Some experience in one or more general purpose programming languages like Java, C, Python, JavaScript, Go, etc. And some experience with definitely data structures, algorithms, and software design. Apart from that, for their preferred qualification section, if you are currently studying in your penultimate year of your degree program, and if you have experience in architecture, artificial intelligence, data mining, networking, distributed systems, compilers, machine learning, then you'd be a great fit for this role. Apart from that, if you have some experience in designing and implementation of a complex system for production use or experimental use, or if you have some experience in performance, reliability, systems data analysis or debugging, or visualization tools, then you will be a great fit for this role. This is all the preferred and minimum qualifications that they have mentioned. The summer internship program of Google generally spans around 10 to 12 weeks, and this starts around May or June in 2027, and definitely it's an internship at Google that counts a lot in your resume. Apart from that, you also get the opportunity to convert that to a pre-placement offer or to a full-time role if you perform well. So this is a great opportunity up for grabs. One thing that they have mentioned explicitly is when you are uploading your resume, one, it should be the most updated resume that you have, the current resume that you have, and it should be in a PDF format. And also you need to upload a current official or unofficial transcript in your education section, which should be the English version of it. So how can you get that option? When you are selecting under your degree status drop down, select now attending and enable the transcript upload option and upload your current English transcript. So this is how you need to apply, and what the qualifications that you need to fulfill. Moving into the hiring process, they're very simple, straightforward hiring process. First, they will be scanning your resume using an ATS scanner, and if you have a high score of ATS, or if your skills and experiences they match with the requirements that they have posted in your job description, make sure it does. Then your resume gets shortlisted for the second round. In this round, it's a very kind of an informal chit chat with the hiring manager or the recruiter, where they will be asking you about your previous experiences again. Make sure again you are aligning your answers to what they have posted in their requirements. Now, in this section, they might also ask you about your score on coding platforms like LeetCode, Geeks for Geeks. They might ask you to share your profile. So once you do that, they will be scheduling your interview, your first technical interview with the interviewer. So give whatever time you are convenient with, keep enough time in your hand, and schedule an interview. So the number of interviews or the type of interviews, it all depends on the recruiter, on the interviewer, evaluator, how satisfied they are with your answers. So the number of interviews, they can be 2, they can be 3, 4, 5. It depends completely on how the evaluation is on your answers. And the duration between each of the interviews, it depends on how many interviews they are taking and what are the scores of the students who are sitting for these interviews. So it's not a specific timeline that they follow. It can span around 1 or 2 months also, the interview process. So but every time they will be asking you about what convenient time you will be available in for the interview. So that's there. So they don't have a specific HR round, they have a googliness round where they uh, basically check how culturally fit you are for this role, or which team they should be aligning you in for maximum performance. So these are all the rounds that you need to sit for to get into the summer internship role at Google. This is a great opportunity, especially for freshers and students. So go ahead, apply before the link expires. I have attached the link to the job window in the description of my video. Go ahead, apply. And if you guys are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for internships, jobs, especially for college students. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. And I hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.